So folks in Galveston this weekend are going to see a sight that they have not seen in a while. Cruise ships are coming back to Texas. Hey everyone, Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to today's cruising news. Before we get into the news, I highly encourage you to go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It does help our channel grow and does allow us to continue providing you with cruising content. And of course, like always, it is free to do. So let's get right into it. So this weekend, two Carnival ships, the Carnival Vista and the Carnival Breeze, are scheduled to arrive back in Galveston, Texas. So the Port of Galveston's CEO, Roger Rees, stated their intentions are to stay here, crew up, and do some work on the ships. So they'll be here when it's time to start cruising, and we're hoping that it's quick. So while the CDC says that they're working on a plan to resume cruising, Galveston leaders are honestly getting concerned that it might be getting too late. As cruise ships begin to sail again in the Caribbean and Europe, there is real concern that if the CDC doesn't provide some type of timeline to resume cruising here in the United States, that the cruise lines will continue moving their ships away from the United States and to other ports. And with $1.2 billion and 23,000 jobs here in Texas alone tied to the cruise industry, can we really afford to not restart cruising as soon as possible? So far, the Port of Galveston has invested a little over $100,000 in improvements in their two cruise terminals that are intended to fight the spread of the COVID-19. Things included like touchless bathroom fixtures, plexiglass in all of the customer service areas, and enhanced air filtration systems. That way they are ready when cruising is going to resume. So while this is not an answer as to exactly when cruising is going to start, it is, at least to me, it's a positive step. Cruise ships are returning to a port that they haven't been to in over a year. And if they are putting crew back on the ship, I do look at that as at least a positive sign that Carnival may think things are going in the right direction. Or perhaps Texas will be one of the ports where cruising resumes from first. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, let's give it a thumbs up. Y'all have a great day, and we will see you out on the high seas eventually.